Why do some businesses think a backup is a magic umbrella that keeps everything dry in a storm? The truth is that a backup is only one part of staying safe. Imagine your website is a busy shop. A backup is like having a photocopy of the shop's notebook, price list, and signs. If something gets lost, you can make copies again. That sounds great, but what if the front door is broken, the lights are off, or the shop is full of water? A copy of the notebook does not fix the building. That is why backups alone cannot save a business. A backup helps you recover data, but it does not stop problems from happening. Hackers can still break in. Servers can still fail. Passwords can still be weak. A website can still go offline because of a bad update, a damaged file, or a mistake made by a person. Think of a business as a whole body. A backup is like storing a spare bandage in a drawer. Helpful? Yes. Enough by itself? No. The body also needs hand washing, healthy habits, medicine when needed, and quick help when something goes wrong. In the same way, a website needs many kinds of protection. Good protection includes strong passwords, two-step sign-in, regular updates, security scans, safe hosting, and people who watch for trouble. It also includes a plan for emergencies. If the website is attacked, someone should know who to call, what to turn off, and how to restore service quickly. A backup only becomes useful when there is a clear plan to use it. There is another important point. A backup can be old. If a business backs up a website only once a week, it may lose many changes from the last 7 days. New products, customer messages, and orders could disappear. So backups must be frequent and checked to make sure they really work. Some people learn this only after a surprise. One morning, a website may look normal, but hidden code could be stealing passwords. Or an update may break the whole site. Or a fire in a data center may take servers offline.